What is a single level bill of material? A single level bill of materials is one level of an assembly and does not include any lower level subassemblies. It displays only one level of components that would be used in their direct parent item. In other words, a single level bill of materials would only show the relationship one level down. It would not include grandchildren or any other relationships. Only the first level. A single level bill of material is generally used on simple assemblies. These assemblies would not include subassemblies, only components. One layout of the single level bill of materials is a document that contains every part that would be used in the build of the item. The listing would also be in order as there is only one single level. In a product tree format, you would only see one level down. As you can see, the basic structure of a single level bill of materials would only allow one level of children in the form of components, assemblies, or materials. Here we see a listing of a bill of materials for soup in both a simple listing format and a product tree format. As you can see, the broth is measured in gallons and each of the item measurements are in each. You may also see other types of units of measure, even some that may show blank. One of the benefits of using a single level bill of materials is that information or data for each of the components is stored in only one place in MRP. This makes it much easier for engineers to update the bill of materials, maintain numbers, and make changes if necessary. And that's it, a single level bill of material. We'll see you in the next module.